learn mathematics. Today we will discuss about the number system. We will discuss what the numbers are. So initially when you will learn mathematics, now the first chapter you will start learning, that is what are the numbers. So in very first hour when human civilization evolved, then to calculate something, to understand the quantitative aptitude of particular things, the requirement has been initiated that number system should be there. In all the languages, even Indian, American, Chinese, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, all the language has been evolved. All those languages opt to adopt the number system. So naturally, every civilization, each and every civilization have learned to calculate the things with the help of numbers. Then hopefully at that time the number system requirement aroused. When we will go to mathematics chapter, then we will find that the very first chapter in any class is in arithmetics is the number system. Okay, so first we have learned that all the number who was naturally described. For example, if I will ask you to count something, you will definitely tell that uh, counting will start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it will go up to infinity. So today I will describe about the number system and basically the natural numbers. So I need to say that which numbers you know naturally. When I will ask you to count something, definitely you will tell that I will start counting with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinity. कोई लिमिट नहीं है. There is no limit for the end of these numbers. So infinity tak numbers to naturally what we add here, it known as the natural number. If anyone asks you what are the natural numbers, you will definitely tell the natural counting numbers. When we will start the counting with 1, they all numbers are natural numbers. Now what the requirements arises, ki we need that every number should be with precedere and successor. So as the natural system has been followed, we found that every number has a successor and preceders. So we were discussing about the natural number is start with 1. Every number was having a successor and preceder except 1. So one successor was 2, but preceders was not available. That's why 0 was being introduced to the numbers. Now the counting number will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this system, this mechanism, when we added 0 to the particular number system, then mathematician told now it turned to whole. Then a new features has been arrived to mathematical system, and it was known as whole number. So when anybody asks you what are the whole numbers, you can easily tell numbers starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 up to infinity. It is the whole number. And natural numbers, if you will be asked by someone, then you can tell ki number starting from 1 to infinity is known as the natural number. So we found two numbers. First, natural number, what we learn naturally from the mathematics and all the languages, all the civilization had opted this number. Second, whole number was introduced when 0 was added to this. So if anybody will ask you is 0 is a whole number or natural number, then what you will going to tell? You will definitely going to tell ki 0 is always a whole number. So the smallest whole number is 0, and the uh, biggest, yeah, largest natural number, it is infinity. So no need to worry. Now when we learned natural number and the whole number, next we drawn a number line. Okay, the number line is an infinite line to the right and the left side. In the center, 0 falls. If you are moving right side of that number line, that you will find 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. And if you are moving left side of that number line, that then it is -1, -2, -3, -5. If you will take the right side of number, each writer place get more value, and if you get left, each left side person has lesser value. For example, which is greater, minus 4 or minus 5? So definitely minus 4 is greater. Although we are seeing the 4 is the higher than the 5, but hence it's as negative form. So negative may which number has got more value with will will get lesser assessment. So these two numbers we have learned. Now we will discuss about the rational numbers, because if you see the number line 1 to 2, there will be many infinite numbers between those. For example, 1 to 10 agar baat kare to it may be 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 6. There are many numbers which is not exactly the whole numbers, but they are a specific in the particular system. For example, I just ask you to give me half apple, so you will sell that, sir, this is not on the number line. Then you can say that 1 by 2 is also available on the number line. It will be between at the half point from 1 to 2. So half is also available on the number line, but since it is neither the whole number nor the natural number, so we can derive a special word that is now named as rational number. So rational number, we can say rational number as such numbers. Those numbers can be derivated in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. If q is not equal to 0, then it is called a rational number. Rational number are such numbers which are not complete numbers, whole numbers. It lie between two numbers. Let it be any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It lie in between. We just like this, we will found that three types of number. First we learn natural number, then we learned the whole number, then we discuss about the rational number. And one more thing, mathematics found that one more type of number is there, that is irrational number. Irrational number are such numbers, are they can't be written in p by q form, because they are having endless results. When you fractionalize the particular irrational number, you will not get remainder, and it is definitely going to have different in recurring or non-recurring nature up to end. Now we will discuss about integers. All the positive and negative numbers collectively are known as integers. When anybody will ask you what are integers, you can tell on the number line, all the positive and negative numbers, including with zero, is known as integers. So this were the number system. Now we will learn to count the higher side of these numbers. So first counting number start with 1, then it goes to 100, then it goes to 1000, then it gets to lakhs, then it goes to crores. In Indian system, it is like सैकड़ा, हजार, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and so on. But in international system, the system is different. It is totally different. We used to count one thousands, hundred thousands, then millions, and then billions. This is the system for the foreign classes. Thank you for watching our videos about the number system. We will again come live with very different and interesting topic. Thanks for that. Thank you.